Hey guys, we received this red light comb, hair comb for test and try. So let's open the box. So this one is a really nice gift box. So it's good to even given as a gift. It's a nice premium quality gift box here, and just open up this and see. So this is a red light comb, hair comb that can be used on your hairs like a comb, and then it provide with the red light effect that helps in a multiple things. So the wavelength for the red light is a 635 to 650, and this also have a light wavelength. So it's around 465 to 470 nanometer for the blue light, and the 635 to 650 for the red light. So it's a charging, the USB-C charging, very smooth, small design, and then small factor design. And this is the USB-C charging here and the power adapter. So you can charge it for some time. So you can see the battery indicator. So this is charging right now. So let's wait for some time and then use it. So this one is nice design and very smooth and lightweight. This also have a large battery capacity to store that charge, and it also shows on the LCD or display that it requires a 10-minute use, and then with the battery charge portion, and then how much it is. So the red light you can see is really bright and around the same nano wavelength is 635 to 650. You can have the vibration as well in the comb. So along with the light, you can also have the vibration in the comb. So this one is easy to use. Just comb as a normal comb, and then red light will fall on your hair or the scalp. And yeah, so just use and have fun with that. And the blue light is also there. So you can choose the nanometer length like the red light or the blue light, and then have good use of this comb.